Imagine slamming your head into a wall. Not once, not twice, but 12,000 times a day, at speeds that would knock a human unconscious in milliseconds. Then imagine walking away from that, totally fine, every single day. So the question isn't, how does a woodpecker peck so fast? The real question is, how does its brain survive? First, let's understand what's actually happening here. A woodpecker pecks at roughly 6 to 7 meters per second. That's faster than most cars drive through a school zone. In humans, a brain injury can occur at just 80 to 100 gs of force. Fighter pilots black out around 9 gs. A woodpecker? It withstands 1,200 gs on every single impact. So what is this bird made of, titanium? Not exactly, but what it is made of is far more interesting. The woodpecker's skull is basically a biological crash helmet, and it has not one, but 5 separate shock-absorbing systems. Number 1, the beak. The upper beak is longer than the lower beak. This means the impact force is redirected away from the brain, like a crumple zone in a car. Number 2, the hyoid bone. Most birds have a small, simple hyoid supporting the tongue. The woodpecker's hyoid is massive. It actually wraps completely around the skull like a seatbelt. It acts as a tension absorber on every single impact. But here's where it gets really wild. Number 3, spongy bone structure. The bone in front of the brain is densely packed and sponge-like. Think bubble wrap, but built into the skull. Number 4, tiny brain, tight fit. Less space means less movement. Less movement means less damage. Number 5, timing. Woodpeckers have strong neck muscles that pre-tense just before impact, like bracing for a punch before it lands. 5 systems, all working together, all in 0.5 milliseconds. Nature didn't stumble onto this. It engineered it. Here's where the woodpecker stops being just a cool bird and starts being a blueprint. Scientists and engineers have been studying the woodpecker's skull for decades, and what they've found is quietly reshaping how we protect the human brain. In 2011, researchers proposed a woodpecker-inspired shock absorber for black box flight recorders. Engineers have applied these same principles to sports helmets, military gear, and even smartphones. A bird that's been around for 25 million years is now helping engineers design the safety equipment of the next 25 years. Nature has been running experiments for hundreds of millions of years. 5 layers of protection, 12,000 pecks a day, 0 brain damage. The next time you hear that tap, tap, tap in the woods, you're not just hearing a bird looking for bugs. You're hearing 25 million years of engineering. Thanks for watching. Stay curious.